Hi guys, welcome to my channel English with Swati. Today we will discuss adverb and types of adverb. What is adverb? An adverb is a word that describes verb, adjective or some other adverbs in a sentence. Adverb वो word होता है जो describe करता है, modify करता है किसी verb को. Verb as you know action word, adjective को और डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड और सम अदर एडवर्ब या किसी दूसरी एडवर्ब को सेंटेंस में उसे ही एडवर्ब बोलते हैं. सो वी विल डिस्कस देम वन बाय वन. 4 ways in which adverb describes an action. वर्ब को 4 ways हैं जैसे एडवर्ब डिस्क्राइब करता है एक्शन वर्ड को. नंबर 1 एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस, एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम एंड एडवर्ब ऑफ नंबर. So first is adverb of manner. It shows how an action is done. It means it shows the manner in which an action is done. Example से समझते हैं. The alarm rang loudly. Here the action word is ring. How the alarm rang loudly. So in which manner? Loudly. So loudly is an adverb here. He ran quickly. Here how he ran? Quickly. So quickly is an adverb. The soldiers fought bravely. How the soldiers fought? In which manner? Bravely. So bravely is an adverb. The old man walked slowly. Here slowly is an adverb. Now the second one is adverb of place. It shows where an action is occurred. Example से समझते हैं. Put the cake there. Where the cake put? There. So there is an adverb of place. I looked everywhere for my book. Where I looked for book? Everywhere. So everywhere is an adverb of place. A beggar is sitting outside. In this outside is also adverb of place. Where is beggar sitting? Outside. So there, everywhere and outside are adverb of place. Now looks into the next, that is adverb of time. It shows when an action is happened, the time when the action is happened. Example से समझते हैं. Diya went to gym today. Here when she went to gym, time today. So today is an adverb of time. The sun rises in the morning. When the sun rises? In the morning. So morning is also adverb of time. Now third example is they go out to dinner weekly. When they go out for dinner? Weekly. So weekly is also an adverb of time. In fourth example, he went to Kolkata yesterday. When he went to Kolkata? The time, that is yesterday. So today, morning, weekly and yesterday are adverb of time. Now the next is adverb of number. It shows how often an action took place. How many times an action took place. So it tells the frequency. So we can call this adverb of frequency also. Example से समझते हैं. I have met Tom twice. Times I met Tom? Twice. So twice is an adverb of number. Second example, sometime he play cricket. How many time he play cricket? Sometime. So sometime is also adverb of number. Ritesh never smokes. So here never is also adverb of number. So twice, sometimes and never are adverb of number, which tell the number. So we can call it adverb of number. So in these 4 ways an adverb describes the action word. Now adverb describe an adjective also. Example से समझते हैं. He is very happy today. So happy is an adjective and very is describing word that describes happy. So adverb, very is an adverb. In second example, Sia wore brightly colored dress in the party. In this example, colored is adjective and brightly describe the word colored. So brightly is an adverb. Here very and brightly are adverb words that describes an adjective. So they are adverb. Now the last one is adverb describe another adverb also. एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. द डांसर मूव्स सो ग्रेसफुली. तो हेयर graceful is adverb and so describe it more. So it is also adverb. The scientist quite easily solved the problem. How he solved the problem? Easily. Easily is adverb and quite describe easily. So is quite is also adverb. Here so and quite are adverb which describe another adverb. I hope by this you can understand this topic clearly. Thank you and have a nice day.